YouTube, what's going on? Mike Tech King on the budget, back again with another video. So as you guys saw in my last video with the S10 Plus, I had no case on this phone, and I have been using it with no case on the phone for about the majority of the time that I've had it. I did have a Spigen case at one point that my wife used it on her phone while we ordered some other cases, and a case that I just ordered came in today. Now this is the Spigen Tough Armor for the S10 Plus. This is the Prism Blue color, and we're gonna open this up and unbox this together real quick. Just have it on the phone, let you guys take a look at it. Now Spigen, I'll leave a link for this in the description below. You can get this on Amazon. This was $17.99. Spigen is a great company, great cases for a great price, and you know, you're not really going to beat the value for the money. So inside here you got your installation manual, how to put the case on. Now this is a two-part case, so let's take all that and put it to the side. So as you can see, you have a hardback shell with a rubber TPU material here, and like I said, it's a two-piece case, so that is, you can interchange that if you get other cases as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the phone, I'm going to wipe off the back of it, just because I'm a little OCD like that. So I'm gonna take the back of it, and I'll put my phones in the cases top first, so all the buttons can kind of go in and pop in, and we'll just pop the bottom in, pop that bottom in over there, and now we have the Spigen Tough Armor on the case, or on the phone. So you got no flex on the sides, which I really like. That's a part of that Prism Blue there. You also have a little bit of flex on the bottom of the case, but for the most part, Spigen cases always deliver, and this is actually one of the better ones that I've had in my experience. Now the corners pretty tight. Now, like I said, you got a little flex, but for me personally, it's not that serious. And you can use this with a screen protector. I do have a white stone dome on the way. It'll be here. It will be here, I think, in a few days. But for now, I don't have a screen protector on the phone. Might, you know, I'm still debating on it, but you do also have a kickstand on the back, so you'll get your landscape viewing. I believe you can do nope, so it's just for landscape viewing. So if you want to look at a movie or something, you want to set it up to watch a video, there you go. And I like the fact that they make these the same color as the case. It looks pretty dope. You got the Spigen brand in there, and something you want. I don't know if you guys can see that. Something you want. This is something I want. Thank you for that, Spigen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Real simple case. Real simple, real easy to install. Pop it off real quick so you guys can see what it looks like when you pop it off. Real easy to install, real easy to uninstall, and that's pretty much it. So this is the Spigen Tough Armor case. I'll leave a link for this below in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.